Random Shade Show.
The Halloween version.
Oh. Hello. Okay, I'm so excited. This is the first time.
Rule number 1. Do not fall off your chair.
Oh. Oh man. No way. There's a speck on the floor. There's a speck on the floor. I put a speck on the floor. I put a 18.
Rule number 2. Do not pick up specks from the floor. Pick candy instead.
I just put all my candy inside the toilet. Isn't that like awesome? Huh. Yeah. There's a leak. Oh man. There's a again. Oh man. Somebody's gonna beat me. Okay. Water.
Rule number 3. Do not clog the toilet with candy.
The end. Okay. Oh, a stick! I found a stick. A stick. Ow! Look what I can do. Look. Oh. Look what I can do. That's it for now. Butter toast.